Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. Now what it means is that you actually want to remove a person from your share list just like this when you want to actually send stuffs to your friends just like this, and you don't want the particular person to actually see. What you need to do is just search for the person's name. But let's just try to remove this person's name right here, Augustine. So what we are going to do is click on your search button icon. Yeah, search for the person's name, Augustine. As you can see, it's here. So you just click right here. So what you're going to do is just click on these three dots on top of your screen. Yeah, and there are three options. You either restrict, block, or report. So the first thing you're going to do, you just have to restrict them. So you just have to restrict him actually. So boom, you have actually restricted, and you can also block him if you want to. So just block, and what you're going to do next, just check again and just try to send, and you can see it did not actually appear here. So that's actually how to remove someone from your share list on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.